Hey Sam, Sticky Bill here. We're going to do a website review analysis on your website and how you rank for the Google search solar panels installation El Paso. Okay. And the first thing that comes up is the Google map, and you rank 13 here. And we'll go down to where you're at, Sunshine City Solar, and look at your Google profile. I have 17 pictures. They look like they're kind of old though. What you want to do is add some more pictures. Add some more pictures and maybe do a frequently asked questions on section. So you can ask yourself a question and then answer it. And it'll show an interactive aspect to your Google profile, which will help rank you higher. And the more pictures that you post and the more things that you post in this profile will bring you up in the Google Map Pack. And you're on the first page out of 7. There's 7 pages of this, okay? And on the organic search, you ranked at 23. And we'll go down here and look. Let's see why. Sunshine City. Okay. Right there. Number 23. And I did this is going to be compared to my Premier Solar Systems or Premier Solar Systems there and Meraki, okay? Because the other ones were lists and they have great SEO, national chain lists and that kind of thing. But the companies that were ranking in the top here were Meraki and Premier. So let's look at your website first. Right here, installing solar panels in the Sun City. I like it. I think that you should put El Paso and Las Cruces, if those are the service areas for you, in this heading, because this is where the keywords, it tells the search bots what you're all about, and it's right now it's saying pretty good. I mean, if everybody thinks of El Paso as Sun City, you're right on. So looking at your metrics, your DR is 0.8 and your UR is 9. I know that's Greek, but these are SEO rankings, okay? How your website ranks on search engines. And the search engines like to see these scores tighter. They like them within 5 numbers of each other. So this would be good if this score here was 4 to 13 or 14, 4 to 14 within 5 of each other, okay? Looking at your backlinks, you have 46, you have 19 referring domains. And the thing is, these aren't always equal to other backlinks. So you could have a whole lot of them, but they're not getting you that far. And then you'll see in Premier, who ranked significantly higher than you, let's look at theirs. They have 11 backlinks, but those backlinks are very strong. So it's set up pretty nice. You also were looking at your traffic. It's about 20 clicks per month. And Hrefs, which is the software I use, has the value estimated at $29 per click. So you're getting, that boost from your website itself, which is good. It's good. That it has a value. That's excellent. Looking at Premier's Solar, they have us go solar with a brand you can trust as what they're telling the people they're all about, which those are great keywords. And they have a lot of content too. They're set up very similar to what you got, and they're a lot. The score is a little lower, but it doesn't really matter because it's within 5 of each other, so it's tight. And it's very, very funny how that aspect really affects your ranking on a search engine. The backlinks, this is what I wanted to show you. When we looked at the link domain score, every single one of them is over 75. That's huge. That is huge for backlinks, okay? Because it's linking to other domains as well, and it gives a credibility to the internet score, if you will. 195 keywords as opposed to your 62. So their website is really loaded with keywords, and it has to do with those backlinks and how they're set up with the keywords as well. So when they're linking back to their website, they're using the keywords that'll get them a lot higher on an internet search engine. Now, their traffic is about 28 clicks per month off that search, and $145 worth per each click. So that's significantly more because they're ranked a lot higher. Now let's go to Meraki. It's a bigger company. I think they're all over. From what I was looking at before, they had a map somewhere serving all over Texas. So they're at least statewide. Because of that, they're sharing the MerakiSolar.com, and their domain rating's a lot higher because they have a lot more areas that are using this domain. The UR is 14. It's out of balance, but because of these backlinks, and their backlinks are really, really strong. And what we would do as a company is just get right in there with them. They have so many backlinks that keep them over 75. All right. All that up there is what keeps their score high. Back to overview. They have a lot of keywords. Their traffic is 2,700 a month. 2,700 clicks, and each click is worth $7,000 to them. Their website is doing them a lot of good, and it's worth a lot to them. And that's where they're at. We'll look at that search again. Meraki is actually number 2 on the organic rank. Are they in that? So that's what's really getting them where they need to be. Premier is 5, and you can see where from going 2 to 5, the value has significantly dropped. So you want to be in the top 3 for your website to be very valuable. And all I can really say for your website is maybe get this heading. You can make them longer. They don't have to be short. It could be installing solar panels in the Sun City and surrounding areas. El Paso's premier solar panel installer. All those things you'll take over their keywords, and there's nothing wrong with that. So Sam, that's what I got for you today. We'll be talking. I'm sure I see you pretty much all the time, and I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. See you.